To suit different industries, we're always developing new mobility products to different industries by combining our expertise in mobility, extensive market research, and learning from the past experience to improve the next generation product lines. IoT have changed the way we look at different industries. In the past, we had devices that had notable performance upgrades on each new generation. However, as the mobility processor performance improved drastically thanks to smartphones, this enables advanced functionalities that were not available previously. Therefore, applications and the way we integrate our systems are changing fast. In order to keep up the demands with the most innovative solution, we must combine our industry know-how with the new market trends constantly. Industrial mobility takes many forms. We have retail-focused mobile devices that focus on post functionalities, flexibility for accessories, whether it's for carrying or for transaction purposes. Order terminals, design-wise, will focus on ergonomics, responsive touch screens, reliable batteries, and capability for attachments and being versatile. Based on our experience with the retail requirements, this is never one particular standard. Therefore, our retail solutions takes many forms in itself to suit customer needs. In retail setting, IoT is playing a very heavy role. In the past, POS units, ordering terminals, kiosks, and even vending machines are separate industry know-how. In recent years, with the faster network, the line between these applications has been a lot more blurrier than ever before. We can now have an mPOS terminal that has incredible mobility with the Wi-Fi, 4G, LTE, etc., double as a mobile ordering terminal that can bring receipts on the spot, remote from the cash register. It can take credit card payments, app payments, and these operations can also be integrated with the inventory application for inventory checks, online purchases ordering systems, and a lot more. You can, with a click of your smartphone, to make purchases and just go and pick it up on the vending machines, where the HMI are being replaced with the online apps instead. These levels of advancement have pushed new product lines to innovate and more integration for different functionalities, ultimately to suit ever-changing market needs. In logistics, in particular in industries that involves with fleet management or field works, the handheld typically require larger screen, brighter display, additional ruggedness for various weather conditions. In delivery services, require mobility device to be always connected, as well as the ability to handle logistic tests such as packaging, confirmation. Therefore, RFID capability and barcode scanners are standard affair. Vehicle mounts and wireless connectivity such as 4G and 5G are also available with our solutions. Aside from the essential requirement to suit logistic application, the application itself is also advancing in a very rapid speed. With vision and AI, handheld devices today are a lot more powerful in terms of raw calculation performance. Many vehicle applications also expect new products to implement some levels of AI capability. As our vehicle gets smarter, more vehicle information can be sent and consolidated with fleet management units, which provides operator vehicle information to monitor vehicle safety. The Vision AI can provide insight about the driver for fatigue recognition and other new and interesting applications. This can all be done with a high-performance handheld. The barcode scanner is rated for 21-meter ultra-long-range reading, and the UHF can go up to 6 to 8 meters in distance, which is perfect for a warehousing application where the cargoes are stacked up. In warehousing, the key functions are the capability of barcode scanning and RFID tag scanning, as these are industry standards for cargo management as identifications for various inbound and outbound operations. Therefore, warehousing applications would generally favor handheld devices with keypad dedicated for different operation combinations. Aside from the standard affair, there are numbers of pinpoints within the practical use scenarios. Conventionally, these sort of devices are generally larger with a slightly more ergonomic handle. However, in our experience, more compact design greatly improves warehousing efficiency as the overall weight is reduced. And this allows more one-hand operation, which allows operator a much quicker and more intuitive way of scanning barcodes. Generally speaking, for warehousing application, the device is being used all day long. The durability of the device, and more importantly, the face buttons will be tested on every design. To combat the fast tear and wear, we have to make sure to use the most durable keypad membrane and ensure the repeat key presses will not wear it down and cause inconvenience to warehousing operations. With the IoT, more advancing scanning capability are implemented, where the operator can scan multiple items at the same time and immediately upload to inventory management system, and device condition can be monitored. Therefore, to ensure operator to work with these devices without interruptions. The solution consists with thermal imaging camera and an HMI. The camera capable to scan multiple heat points for thermal signature, determine the highest temperature and the lowest temperature all at the same time. With it, not only place point-to-point detection, you can set up thermal points for all the critical locations that the camera can cover. Therefore, environmental monitoring are also covered. Large facilities such as petrochemical plant or power plants are well equipped. Some of these equipments are considered hazardous. Conventionally, factory inspection is done manually, entering and get manual readings and inspections for the report. It is time-consuming and have safety concerns in a hazardous environment. Safety is the primary concern in industrial inspection. Handheld devices are now built with thermal imaging cameras or other sensors to help inspection operators to take thermal readings at a distance. Therefore, ensures the safety for factory inspection operations. To be compliant to high safety standards, it is important to also have high standard of water and dust-proof rating, drop resistance as well as the explosion-proof protection. Stationary sensor collection generally facing the possibility for wireless dead zones, where integration of technologies such as NB-IoT or LoRaWAN into the handheld devices can help collection sensor data, as mobile handhelds are mobile, not restricted to a specific wireless range. And here's a short clip to explain that.
That we have designed the device with LoRaWAN support, as G70S is positioned as the industrial rocket data collector. In the factory inspection situation, it can collect LoRa sensor data to ensure private security, also to avoid dead zones that other communication devices tend to present.
Let's take power plants for example. Traditionally, environmental sensors or meter reading are done via thermocouple or wire connectivity. The aging method requires physical setup throughout the facility and difficulty on maintenance if something goes wrong. To combat this, many factories have switched to wireless methods, where LoRa and its low power consumption and long range transmission property are in favor of larger facilities such as power plants. The switchboards are fitted with LoRa-enabled meters, and reading results can be sent out via LoRa. The distance can go hundreds of meters or more. Inspection personnel will patrol the facility and collect these meter data, as well as environmental sensor data, all in one patrol, reducing effort and time, as well as reduce the complexity of the maintenance for any individual equipment, as repairs are only done to individual equipment, does not require full system-wide diagnostics. To be cost-effective, save time, and deliver a safer solution. There are many applications in healthcare when it comes to handheld devices. For healthcare facilities, the most important requirements are housing designs. Antibacterial materials are the must, as hospitals or healthcare establishments will need to regularly disinfect devices to make it suitable for such environment. The housing of the unit must withstand chemicals in the cleaning solutions that are used in such place. IoT allows handheld devices to be connected with various conventional instruments, thus converting conventional instruments into IoT-enabled devices. Becoming mobile, allowing health professionals to be more mobile instead of constantly moving the patients for various tests and checkups. In addition to AMobile's standard lineup series, OEM and ODM businesses are always welcome. We have experience in R&D resources and manufacturing capability to fulfill your OEM and ODM project requirements. For OEM projects, compared to other competitors, AMobile believes in a win-win business partnership with our customer, such as flexible MOQ. The client can leverage our standard products and make it their own. We offer customizations such as different keypads and housing color design, distinctive logo to make your own brand stand out. And system startup animations can also be customized. We are experienced in ODM services. We provide the one-stop shop for your ODM needs. Based on customers' requirements, we can build your design or requirement from the ground up. We offer ID design, hardware design, software customizations, tooling, and production services with our multiple factory locations. We also provide full after-sales services, including online RMA service, spare parts, to make sure your products are well maintained. We believe where our effort will help you grow your business.